Hello, welcome to Kaizen Snow Guide. In this video, we'll talk about the 5 signs to tell if your snowboard needs waxing. Let's get right into it. Look at the base of this snowboard. I haven't waxed it in 3 years and it desperately needs some wax. You see how the base looks faded, washed out. The color just doesn't look rich. And if you look closely, you can see the streaks of white lines like these. Like there's this one here, and this one here. And you may also see white patches like this one right here. The second sign is if you run your fingers across the base, you'll feel that it's not smooth. It feels kind of fuzzy. Like I can feel these lines here. The third sign is actually something you feel out there on the mountain. As you come down from a run and you hit a flat section, you realize you're losing speed faster than usual, and you may end up in an unfortunate situation where you need to unstrap and skate to make your way through. When you're skating, you realize you need to push a lot harder with your legs, and you're not covering much distance with each push. And that's the fourth sign that your board needs a wax. Lastly, if you haven't waxed your board for the entire season, then that's definitely a reason to wax your board. There you have it, 5 signs that your board needs a wax. If you watch this video and realize that your board is definitely overdue for a wax, check out this video on how to wax a snowboard. Thanks for watching. See you next time.